Most falls don't happen outside. They happen at home in places we trust the most. A quiet bathroom, a familiar staircase, a hallway we've walked through 1,000 times. Research shows that falls are one of the most common causes of injury as we age. But the good news is this: many falls are preventable. Today, I'll share simple, research-based home safety tips that can protect your independence and help keep your loved ones safe. Why fall prevention matters. Studies from public health and aging research show that most falls are caused by everyday hazards: poor lighting, loose rugs, slippery floors, or clutter. Preventing falls isn't about fear. It's about creating a safer space where confidence can grow. One of the most effective fall prevention steps is also the simplest: clear pathways. Remove loose rugs, cords, and clutter, especially in hallways and near stairs. Research shows that trip hazards are a leading cause of falls inside the home. Good lighting makes a powerful difference. As we age, our eyes need more light, especially at night. Install night lights in bedrooms, bathrooms, and hallways. Well-lit spaces reduce missteps and increase confidence. Bathrooms are one of the most common places falls occur. Simple changes, like non-slip mats, grab bars, and keeping the floor dry, are strongly recommended by fall prevention studies. Small adjustments here can prevent serious injuries. Shoes matter, even indoors. Research shows that walking in socks or loose slippers increases fall risk. Supportive, non-slip footwear provides better balance and stability. Fall prevention isn't about giving up independence. It's about protecting it. A safer home means fewer worries, for you and for the people who care about you. If these tips helped you, please like this video so others can find it too. Share it with someone you love, and subscribe for more simple, research-based ways to stay safe, strong, and independent at home. Your home should support you every step of the way.